This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Katrina Yarikstawara. Welcome home. 3-bedroom, 3-bath Cayman floor plan with private garden views from your screened porch. The lot is oversized with extra room on the side lot lines, not a zero lot line. The owner's suite with tray ceiling and luxury bath. There is also a separate second master bedroom guest wing with bath, sitting area and private courtyard. An upgraded kitchen includes custom color granite, cherry stained wood cabinets and stainless appliances. 2-year new air conditioner and interior plantation shutters are also included. The community of Old Orchid has an ideal location nestled between the beach, historic jungle trail and the river. Community amenities include an entry gate, community heated pool, tennis and fitness. For more information, review the details below or contact Katrina Yarikstawara at 407-375-5247.